What we talk about is a business-driven roadmap versus a vendor-dictated roadmap. And what I mean by that is Microsoft will come to customers and they want them to purchase their products. Obviously, they're a for-profit company. So they're trying to push their products to their customers and show them the value of doing so. Now, not always bad, but you're being directed by the people that are trying to push their own products. AI, Copilot, huge example, right? Microsoft invested $30 billion at the end of last year in Copilot, doubling down on AI, saying this is our focus. But not every customer is ready for that roadmap or journey right now, right? So we try to focus on what's called a business-driven roadmap. Things like end-of-life support. Microsoft doesn't support end-of-life, end-of-support products. You call them, they'll say, upgrade and call us back when you've upgraded to the latest revision. Whereas third party, we have more flexibility. We'll support from a reasonable or best effort approach any type of products that are developed by Microsoft that are end of life. Like an example would be Windows Server 2008. You're not going to get support from Microsoft on that, but third party can provide you with problem resolution, or what I call restoration of service, break fix support on that. You could call us for that. And that's pretty big for customers that are still realizing ROI on those end-of-life products that they still have in their environments, or maybe can't get rid of due to client server requirements or software requirements. Another thing is optimization of your environments. I have never seen, and I would give a nickel to anybody that does, where Microsoft comes in and says, let's do a cost optimization on your Azure environment and see how we can save you money on what you've currently deployed. It's not going to happen. Where third parties, your partners, they're going to provide you with those value-added services. And what we've seen is we've saved up to some customers 7 figures off of their Azure and infrastructure environment, not necessarily on the licensing, which that is a part of it, but more about the infrastructure costs. We've been able to save customers on average 30%. So right there out of the gate, we're providing you with a service that's essentially going to pay for your entire support for the year. Do you have a partner that is focused on where your requirements are? What is best interest of the company that you're supporting versus, I really want you to adopt this product?